Hey, what's up guys? It is April 4th, and as of yesterday, the Payment Protection Program has been launched. That's good news. Unfortunately, only two major banks are a part of this program as of right now. That's Bank of America and JP Morgan Chase. And as of late yesterday, they had already gotten 60,000 applications submitted. To give you a perspective, in 2019, the full year of 2019, they did roughly 60,000 applications with a loan amount of $28 billion. What they're predicting in the next 2 weeks are 2 million applications and a loan amount of $350 billion that could potentially be forgiven. Mind blown. Welcome to my channel. My name is Rico, and I am the creative director at Madcapper Marketing and Grow Your Fit Club. We're a small business helping other small businesses grow through marketing, branding, and storytelling. And as of recently, we're just providing value and help to all of our clients during this crisis, giving them resources for loans, grants, anything that can help them survive today and thrive tomorrow. With that said, I want to cover 3 things that we've been talking to our clients about. Number 1 being the Payment Protection Program. We're all familiar with it. I'm gonna go a little bit deeper into it, and I have a ton of links below in the description. Number 2 is Sara Blakely's Red Backpack Program. A lot of people haven't heard about this, and unfortunately, it's only for female entrepreneurs. And the third one is gonna be Facebook. Facebook has a small business program, and we're really excited about this because they are giving $100 million in grants for people to use Facebook. Some of it's gonna be cash in hand, some of it's gonna be rebates for you to use their platform for marketing, which is what we do for our clients. So we're really excited about that program specifically. All right, before we get started, I do wanna ask if you know of any other programs, please put those in the comment section. We need to share. We're helping each other out. We're a community. We are one, and sharing is caring. All right, so let's get started. Now talking about the Paycheck Protection Program, it can be forgiven. Now this is really important because it's still a loan. You have to follow the guidelines. And the SBA will forgive loans if all employees are kept on payroll for 8 weeks and the money is used for payroll, rent, mortgage interest, or utilities. 75% of that money has to be spent on payroll, hence the name, Payroll Protection Program. Now, as I said earlier, only B of A and JP Morgan Chase are the 2 large banks involved. The companies that can apply are companies that have 500 or less employees. And for solopreneurs, any self-employed independent contractors, you can also apply for this program, but you have to wait till April 10th. So that is some good news for a lot of people in the gig economy, self-employed people. Unfortunately, you have to wait. And now I'm gonna stress this to all of you. Immediately after you watch this video, start your application process. The money will run out. There are more than 2 million small businesses in the United States, and they only have room for 2 million. Like I said, on Friday, they already had 60,000 applications, and everyone is going after this. And after April 10th, all these independent contractors, self-employed people are also going to be applying. So apply as soon as you can. And below in the description, I've actually added the link to the application and a couple of different resources that you can use, including a fact sheet from the Treasury. And if you have any other questions, I do have the links to the SBA, emails to them, and phone numbers that you can call them directly. If you have any questions or concerns that you add to the comment section, we'll do our best to answer them, but we ask that all of us collectively help each other out. So if you see a question in those comment sections that you know the answer to, please respond, give us the information. We all gotta help each other out. We're one, we're a community, and we're all small business owners trying to navigate this crazy time that we're in. Now moving on to our second resource. Sorry, fellas. This isn't for us, it's only for the ladies. This is Sara Blakely's Red Backpack Fund. Now, she is the person behind Spanx. She's giving $5 million to female entrepreneurs to help them during this time. She's partnered up with Global Giving, and what they're gonna do is, after you apply, they're gonna pick 1,000 female entrepreneurs and give them each $5,000. It's not a lot, but it's something and it can help you. Not only that, they're gonna get access to the Masterclass series for free for a year. And if you're there, you might as well check out her class, which is all about entrepreneurship. I mean, I could tell you more, but I think it's best to hear it from her. Sarah, what do you have to say?
I know firsthand what it feels like to be a small business owner, and small businesses are the backbone of our community, and I want to do what I can to help. So I will be giving 1,000 different female-owned businesses $5,000 each. $5,000 is what I started Spanx with 20 years ago. And my hope is that by giving this money, it will not only help them, it will also help their families and their employees. They took a bet on themselves, these women, and during this time, I want to bet on them.
That is awesome, Sarah. You are an amazing person. Now, the application for this starts on April 6th. I do have the link below. I don't know what the application looks like because it hasn't opened up yet, but definitely take a look and apply immediately. Only 1,000 female entrepreneurs are gonna get this. So if you know any female entrepreneurs, share this video. Make sure they're one of the first ones to apply so they can get this grant. And now on to our third and final resource, Facebook and their small business program. Now, as marketers, we are so excited about this because we use Facebook ads and Instagram ads all the time for our clients to help them grow their business. What Facebook is going to do is they're going to be granting $100 million globally. $30 million are going to come to the US. To be eligible to apply, you must have 1, a business that has 2 to 50 employees, 2, be in business for over a year, and 3, be affected by the COVID-19, which I think we're all affected, and 4, be in a place where Facebook operates. Now this is important. You have to be in some of these major cities because as I was on the website, I noticed that there were only about 50 to 70 cities included. So some small towns and small cities, I'm sorry, this grant is not for you. And that wraps it up for me. Now I want to hear from you. What grants or loans are you applying for? Let me know in the comment section. As well as if you're applying for something that I did not mention or there's some other grants out there for small businesses, please put those in the comment section. We need to share and hopefully help each other out because sharing is caring. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more business-related information during this crazy pandemic, and help us by smashing that like button. It'll help us on the YouTube algorithm. And of course, if you have any friends or family members that are small business owners, send them this video. We all need any resource and they need to apply as soon as possible. Okay, stay safe and stay productive. See you next time.